Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. I enjoy decorating, DIYs, shopping, hauls, thrift flips, honey, the whole lifestyle. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have landed on the right channel. Today I'm participating in the Home Decor Luxe Club's Vlogtober collab, all the fall vibes. Links to all the host channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So stop by and show them some love. Today I'm putting together my fall bar in my signature color. Yes, y'all, I am bringing it back. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this short video of my fall bar. Now, if you like today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. I hope this video gives you inspiration. I have a mixture of thrifted and new purchases on my bar, so let me tell you a little bit about the items that I've used. These Z Gallery toasting flutes I got last year on clearance. And this beautiful bowl was a DIY white bowl thrifted purchase that I painted purple. The bar tool set was also a thrift find. And so was the little decanter and glass set. The rest of the items I already had on hand. So I hope you like what I've put together for you today, and I hope it gives you inspiration. Please be sure to stop by my sister's channels and show them some love and let them know that Amethyst sent you. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.